Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a new list or start a new list on Microsoft Lists. So let us get started. Head over to your account on Microsoft and log into it in the top right. And to access Microsoft Lists, if that's the first time guys, here on Microsoft you will see these 9 dots in the top left to access the Microsoft App Launcher, and from there navigate to more apps, or you can look for Microsoft Lists by looking for it on Google search, and then make sure that you log in with your Microsoft account. So what you want to do here in your home section is click into create new and then go through that pre-setup here. So I will go for blank list. You can also create a form, for example, or a board view. I will go with a list, then give it a name here, like, I don't know, example list for the sake of this tutorial. That's it. Click into create. After that, your list will be added to your home section. So you will be redirected to the list. If you'd like to get redirected to the home section, click into Microsoft Lists at the top left. And here, as you can see, the list has been added. Click into it to start editing it, to add columns and items to it, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.